Hello everybody, I welcome you all to today's video. Today, this video is going to be useful for all those of you who are passionate about cancer biology. If you're somebody who's looking at pursuing your research in the global field, well then this particular video is for you, because today we are going to talk about the top 10 institutes in the world for cancer research. I'm Dr. Vaishali, Academic Support Specialist at Biotechnica. Come, let's start the video. So the first institute that we're going to talk about is the Harvard University. So Harvard University has two different cancer research centers. One is the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, and the second is the Harvard Stem Cell Institute, right? So in both of these institutes, there are a lot of research programs that is there. So if you are somebody who wants to get into Harvard and then pursue your cancer research, then do look into their websites. Right, there are a lot of labs and a lot of professors who are already working in many cancer-related fields. So yes, do check out their website. Apart from the research program, they also have master's program as well as certification programs. So if you're not looking at a long-term research career, but you want to, know what it exactly is, if you want to explore this particular field, then these master programs and certificate programs are something that you can definitely explore. The next institute that we're going to talk about is the University of Texas, which is again in USA. The cancer center, which is affiliated to University of Texas, is called MD Anderson Cancer Center. So this particular center does 4 different type of research sectors. One is basic research, second translational research, clinical research, as well as risk assessment of cancer. So these are the different broad fields that this particular center works in. So if you are interested in any of these sectors, then yes, you can go ahead and look into their website. So they are also funded by the National Institute of Health, and they carry on research with these fundings. The next institute that we're going to talk about is the National Cancer Institute USA, that is NCI. This particular center is again funded by NIH, that's National Institute of Health USA. The research areas in which it particularly focuses are cancer biology, cancer genomics, childhood or pediatric cancer, cancer and public health, like how cancer is affecting the public health, and so on and so forth. Right, so these are just a few of the areas that I've listed in here. So they also have a research funding opportunities. So you can go to their website and then you can look for research funding opportunities in case you are somebody who's already doing a research in cancer and you're looking at funding opportunities, then this is one of the places that you can go to. Fourth, they also conduct trainings on a few tools and techniques that you're supposed to learn in cancer biology especially. So they do have a few training programs as well that the students can take up. The fourth university that we're going to talk about is Inserm. Inserm in French is a short form for National Institute of Health and Medical Research. So it is basically located in France. So if you're somebody who's looking at doing your cancer research in the Europe, then this is one of the options that you can look at. So they have funding research activities. So there are a lot of activities that are already funded that happens in the French National Cancer Institute, which is nothing but affiliated to this particular Inserm, and they carry out cancer related research activities. So this is one of the research institutes that you can explore and see if the work that is being carried out in this institute, you're interested, and if you want to pursue it in your career. The next university that we're going to talk about is Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland. So This university has a cancer institute affiliated to it, and the name of the cancer institute is Sidney Kimmel Comprehensive Cancer Center. So this center is affiliated to Johns Hopkins University. So here they have around 34 departments and 5 schools exclusively for cancer, right? So this is quite vast in number. They also cater to a lot of research that happens in cancer. For example, cancer genetics, cancer epigenetics, structural and chemical biology in cancer, cancer immunology, imaging, metastasis, so on and so forth. So the list is very huge. So in case you're exploring John Hopkins as a one in your list, then do go and check out their website specially of Sidney Kimmel Comprehensive Cancer Center, where they have the list of opportunities that's available for you. All right. The next university, the sixth university we're going to talk about is Mayo Clinic. Again in USA, Mayo Clinic has a center called Comprehensive Cancer Center, which is affiliated to Mayo Clinic. They have a broad geographic reach because they are present in areas such as Arizona, Florida, and Minnesota. So they have a wider reach of patients, you can say. Hence your research, if at all you're going to have it in Mayo Clinic, is also going to be a diversified patients you're going to get. So that is another advantage of this particular university if you're planning to take it up. Now, what are the areas that they cater to? A few of them are cancer immunotherapy, neuro-oncology, gastrointestinal cancer, and cancer related to women. So these are the few cancer-related problems that Mayo Clinic is focusing on, right? Now, next, we are going to look at a Chinese institute, that is Chinese Academy of Science. So this particular Institute of Basic Medicine and Cancer, IBMC, is affiliated to CAS, that is Chinese Academy of Sciences. So where is this particular IBMC located? It is located in the Zhejiang province in China. So here as well, you have a lot of centers. You have around 10 centers and 4 platforms that is exclusively that works on cancer. So here they do 70% of translational research and around 30% of basic research is being done in this particular center, that is IBMC. Moving on, the next university in our list is the Cornell University, and Sandra and Edward Mayer Cancer Center is affiliated to Cornell University. So here they do a research on 4 broad topics. The first is cancer biology, second is cancer genetics and epigenetics, third is experimental therapeutics, and the fourth is cancer prevention and control. So these are the 4 different sectors that the Cornell University, Sandra and Edward Mayer Cancer Center of Cornell University focuses on. So if you are somebody who's interested in any of these fields, then yes, do go and look out in their website as well, because they have multiple opportunities, especially for research. There are a lot of labs that has been listed out, and what opportunity is there for these labs, even postdoc or PhD opportunities, or even just a research fellowship that's available. So you can just go onto their website, the Sandra and Edward Mayer Cancer Center's website, and you can check out what are the opportunities that's available for you. Okay. Now, the 9th university we're going to talk about is the University of California, San Francisco, that is UCSF. The UCSF Helen Diller Family Comprehensive Cancer Center is the name of the cancer center that's affiliated to UCSF. So in this particular university as well, they carry out research on various fields. So some of the fields are cancer immunotherapy, precision medicine, and cancer disparities that is available. They also have a lot of community outreach programs on cancer. So this is one of the university that you can go ahead and do your cancer research. So there are multiple research programs like I just said. So you can go check out their website and see for what are the programs that is available. They have programs that is both NCA supported as well as self-funded programs. So there are a wide variety of programs that one can select from. The last university that we're going to talk about today is the Yale University. And the cancer center that's associated with Yale University is the Yale Cancer Center. So they have 6 programs that runs under their cancer center. So it's the first one is the developmental therapeutics. The second is the genetics, genomics, and epigenetics. The third is the cancer immunology. Next is cancer signaling networks. And then is prevention and control of cancer. And the last program is the radiobiology and genomic integrity. So if your research is already in any of these fields and you want to go further deeper into these research areas, then yes, you can check out Yale University. Or if you're interested in any of these and want to start fresh, then as well you can go and check out their website. So they also have various centers for cancer itself. It's called CMCO and Copper centers. So this as well you can check, and if you're interested in applying for them, do go ahead and apply for these universities. So these are the 10 top universities that I had for you guys, where you can go ahead and explore and apply for your cancer research career. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you all till next video. Bye.